Hi everyone, I recently bought the Technics wireless earbuds from Amazon. I got the model AZ40 and the packaging was very secure. When I opened the box, there were three separate sections. On top, it was the instruction manual. Then we had the actual earbuds themselves. The case was very sleek and easy to open and close. Lastly, the earbuds came with several earpiece sizes to make sure everyone had a perfect fit. Now, to connect the earbuds to an iPhone, I simply open the case, take out the buds, and on the inside there would be a blue and red blinking light, which means that the earbuds are in pairing mode. The earbuds will also speak and say Bluetooth pairing. I went to the Settings app on my iPhone and the Bluetooth section and waited for a new device to pop up. Once it shows, I click on it and the earbuds are connected to my phone and are ready to use. If I wanted to connect my earbuds to another device, I would place them back into the charging case and close it. I would take them out again, but in order to get into pairing mode, I have to press the sensor button on the back as soon as I see the blue light on the earbuds. I will hold until I see the blue and red flashing lights signaling me that the earbuds are back into pairing mode. If the blue and red flashing light does not appear, then place the earbuds back into the case, close it, and retry pairing. I will be connecting my earbuds to my MacBook, so I would go to the settings of my Mac and then click Bluetooth. I would see the name of my earbuds pop up on the bottom and I would select it. The earbuds are then connected to my MacBook and are ready for use. The Technics earbud also have an app on the App Store called Technics Audio Connect. Once I downloaded the app, I was able to see the battery life on my earbuds, and I can also play the audio from them in case they were misplaced. To make sure my app is fully updated, I would go to the settings and scroll down until I see help, and then I would click on the headphone information. Under the firmware version, a button would appear in order to update it. It would look something like this, and also a notification would pop up on the home page signaling that the app needs a software update if needed. Overall, I think these earbuds are user-friendly and are easy to pair and carry around. It's also very easy to switch the buds between the devices, which I think is a major plus. The sensor button on the side also makes the design very effortless. I definitely recommend these earbuds for anybody looking.